And welcome back, guys. Today we'll be doing some roasted Cornish hen with some mashed potatoes and some cranberry sauce. It's a perfect holiday meal. Christmas is right around the corner. So let's get started. If you haven't already, please subscribe. If you have, don't forget to comment, share, and like this video. Now we're going to start off with our Cornish hen that's been clean, washed, and pat dried. I'm going to be using some green seasoning. The link is right up in the top right hand corner. Add your powdered seasoning to it. Add some oil. We're going to make this into a loose paste. This is what will be our marinade for our Cornish hen. So we're going to mix that all in. Add some more oil if needed. And once that is all mixed in, now we're going to rub that on our Cornish hen. Now be very generous with the seasoning, the marinade. Rub it all in every crevice and every corner on the skin.